Every time our DNA breaks, it ages us and stresses our cells. This is why protecting our DNA is so important for our longevity and ensuring that we maintain optimum energy as we pass through middle age. However, unfortunately, our DNA is quite fragile and gets broken often and easily through the internal environment that we create for ourselves. Diet and toxin exposure are known to have negative impacts on DNA damage. Now, normally this isn't a problem because we've got an internal team of cellular proteins that work together to repair damaged DNA. But over time, with the demands that we place on them, they can lose their ability to function as well as they should do, meaning that more DNA gets damaged and isn't repaired as effectively. One of the helpers that we have in this process are the sirtuin family of proteins, which help activate DNA repair, and as an added bonus, they also help improve the energy efficiency within our cells. This is one of the reasons why things like fasting and exercise may be so beneficial to help optimize our health span. I was really excited when the guys at Do Not Age reached out and sent me this sirtuin activator, their SIRT6 activator, which I'm going to be trying for the next 2 months to see what impact it has on my overall health and well-being. And if you'd like to try it too, I've got a discount code in the captions below.